Installing an air jet drying system in our steam shower. I'm going to be installing 24 valves that are strategically placed to help dry out all of the walls and the floor as well as the bench. So when you turn the timer on, these jets will blow some air to help eliminate any steam or humidity that's actually in the shower, which in the end will help reduce mold and mildew. But this freaked me out. I happened to look over and look what I see right above Vincent's room. When Misha was here last week, apparently the guys saw it eating the pizza that was in the house, and we've actually caught it out on our boat once or twice before. And because this is a steam shower, I'm also going to be tiling the ceiling, so I'm adding some extra 2x4s in between each one of the trusses, and that way I'll really be able to support that Guru foam board that I'll end up putting on the ceiling as well. I only did these 3 pieces and ended up ordering a laser level off of Amazon just to make sure I can have everything perfect. Now, because of the amount of valves that I need, I'm having 2 different manifolds. So this one here I'm placing up in the ceiling, and it will house 12 of the valves. So for now, I'm just kind of dry fitting it up there, and then I'll actually secure it in place once I get all those 2x4s in there. And I'm just cutting this 3/4 inch tubing and putting it on the manifold and holding it in place by a clip. So once I dry fit everything and get that manifold secured into the ceiling, then I'll be able to use the laser to see exactly where I need to place these valves and probably add a few more 2x4s just to get them exactly perfect. But once I get everything in the correct position, I'll be able to attach that valve directly to the 2x4 to secure it. I have 12 going in the ceiling, which goes pretty much right in line with where the glass is and blows down from the ceiling, as well as that wall there blowing down to dry that. And then I'll be installing another 12. 4 of them are coming off this top wall here to blow onto the ceiling. And then I have some going along the bottom to help with the floor, and then also over here to help dry out the floor and the bench. So altogether 24 valves. I have one of my manifolds up here which holds 12 of the tubes. This will connect to one of my blower pumps here, and then I have another 12 going on a different manifold that I'm actually going to have installed underneath this shower pan, and that will be connected to its own blower. I'm on the second floor now, so the shower that I'm working on is directly above this room here, and I'm going to actually house the blower pumps. These can be within 50 feet of the actual shower in this AC mechanical room here. So my idea is to go ahead and set up my second manifold that has another 12 tubes coming out of it. I'll be doing that somewhere around this area here, and then that way I'll be able to route those up to where they need to go to be able to dry off the walls and also the floor. And then I'll be installing my Schedule 40 2-inch, which will run from that manifold down over here to where the actual blower will be, and that way it will be disguised in this mechanical room. I started off by just removing the Guru boards that we had installed from the back side of this knee wall. I used a 1 3/8 inch bit to go ahead and make the hole so I can run